always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited this morning because I'm going to harvest my first crop of spinach, organic spinach that I planted round about the month of August, late July, August. And today I'm going to show you how I harvest my spinach. It's been raining all night, and hopefully when I'm shooting this video the rain doesn't start. So let's get started. So as you can see, the spinach has really grown, and what you're going to need is some sort of a container and some small scissors in order to cut these very delicate pieces of spinach. So spinach always regrows. It's one of those kinds of vegetables, so it's a matter of snipping. Snip right down to the base, and be careful when you're doing that in order to not disturb the actual root system. So I'm just going to continue snipping away, and I'll show you how much of the beautiful baby spinach I will have collected by the time I'm finished. I'll just give you a pan around because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pots of spinach. If you're wondering what this is a solar light which lights up after it's been energized by the sun for about 8 hours. So I'm just going to continue now with harvesting this baby spinach. Harvesting spinach is such a delicate procedure. Just need small scissors in order to remove all the leaves, like so. I've always had to battle against birds and mice eating my spinach, but this year I've been very lucky, and my produce or my vegetables so far, knock wood, have not been attacked. So I'm getting in now before the birds get a smell of what is here to eat. These little leaves here, I'm just going to leave these little leaves here. This is the after shot. I've pretty much razored down most of the spinach, and they don't call it back-breaking work for nothing. This is all the spinach that I've collected, as you can see, and I'm now going to go inside, wash it really thoroughly because there's a lot of dirt on the spinach, and it is starting to rain now. And then I'll show you how I go about and put it on the table. So it's from the seed to the earth to the cut to the table. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I bought the spinach in from outside, and as you can see there's a lot of dirt here which needs to now be washed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a first rinse. So I'm going to give it a rinse, and then I'm going to put it into this salad strainer to get rid of all the fine dirt. So here we go. Just some cold water, and just get it in there. Just immerse it. I should do it this way. You can see all that dirt coming out. Now I'm going to have to do this in batches. Just grab that, put half of it in there, fill it up with water, and once it's filled, you put the cap on like so. Hold the cap down, and then you spin this around. Okay, now we just give it a spin. As you can see, the water's coming out. Lift the lid, and what should happen is you lift the lid like that. I don't know if you can see the dirt in there, but there's all this fine particles of dirt. Now this batch has been spun dry, so I can take it out, it's all been cleaned, and I can carry on with the next couple of batches. Now I can go ahead and put the spinach into the frying pan and saute this with a little bit of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Now I'm ready to saute the spinach. I've just added some olive oil and this is going to wilt down, and I've got about 3 batches that I need to do. So just a little bit of salt, I'm just going to now put it into this container and then continue on with the next 2 batches. So there it is, all cooked up. My first spinach crop for the season of 2018 and 2019. I've just added a bit of extra salt and some olive oil, and now I'm going to try it. Absolutely delicious. Now, as you know, I always buy spinach when I don't have it on season, but there is a major difference between spinach bought from the supermarket to growing your very own. It's organic, it's nutritious, there are no pesticides, there is only love in growing your own vegetables, from the seed to the earth to the table. I hope you've enjoyed watching me harvest my first crop of spinach for this particular season. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching. I'm going to go now and finish eating my spinach. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.